Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that you cannot create Instagram account 2025. So in this year, when you creating your Instagram account and just saying that you cannot create Instagram account at that time and that moment just like that. So you want to fix that issue. Just simply you have to just update the latest of your Instagram and have to make sure some settings to fix the issue. Just simply go back to your settings of your phone and just go to connections, and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected, and just simply go back and just update to the latest version of your phone. Just like that, I have Android, just update the latest version of my Android. Just search on a search bar and just go to the updates just like that, and just go to software updates and just download the section and just update to the latest version of my Android. And also in the iOS, just update to the latest iOS version of your iPhone. So after that, just simply go back and just again go to settings of your phone just like that, and just go to search bar and just simply search Instagram just like that. Go to Instagram, just again Instagram, just go to Instagram and just go to the permission section and the permission all here from that, and just go back and just go to the storage, just tap on storage and just go to the clear cache, and you have two options, just clear the cache, and another option is that clear data. You just tap on clear data and just clear all the data from here. So then you simply go back and just find a Play Store just like that. Just go to the Play Store and just search bar and just simply search on Instagram, just Instagram just like that. And just if you don't update the Instagram to the latest version, just update it, and if you don't update, just update, and after update just again uninstall it and again install it, uninstall and again install it from Play Store. So after that, just simply go back to your Instagram and just log in your account, sign up your account of your new. So you want to create just like any username, just created your account, so problem gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.